Hi, Ben. Sorry we missed you at the studio today. I hope you're having a good day, and let's get started with our video lesson for the week. Okay, so we're going to work on Ode to Joy. I'm going to do it slowly for you to catch up, and then I'm going to do it quicker, okay? So let's go. 1, 2, here we go. Good. I hope that was a good warm-up for you. Now let's take it a little bit faster, okay? Sorry, I got that last part wrong. That's C, D, G. And moving on. Alright, good job. So now we're going to do blues. This is number 18 on page 10. So here we go. We have, let's just do the first line. B, B, D, E, G, E, D, C, B, B, D, E, G, F. Good. And go ahead and do that on your own. You can hit pause and work on that. And now let's do the next line. So here we go. Oh, sorry, that's D. Sorry. Next line starts on E. E, E, C, E, G, E, D, C, B, B, D, E, G, G. And last line. D, 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 C, 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 B, B, D, E, G, G. Good. So that one is pretty simple, right? Especially right at the end. So work on the first two measures the most, and then you can catch the remainder of the song. You'll be able to pick up like that. So you'll be fine. All right. So now we're going to learn something newish. We've done it before in our old book. It's still review, but I think it's good to review. So we have the G and the C. So G is going to be your G string. This is the lower G, the one that's on the second line up. And so we learned the high G, which is the very top space. It's above the staff. That's that G. Now we're learning this G that's on the staff, and it is the second line up. And so to get that G, the lower G, you're going to play your G string. Good? Okay, so now we have our lower G, and we want to play A. And so to play A, you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to put it right on that G string. So G, A, G, A. And let's do number 19 on page 11. So we have G, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, 4, G2, G4, A2, A4, G, G, A, G. And good. All right, so let's do number 20 now. We have G, A, G, A, G, G, A, G, A, G, G. Good. So now you know G to G. So we have our low G, and then we have A, and we have B, and C, D, E, F, and G. That is when you have from G here to G down here. You have low G and high G, low G and high G. That is what's called an octave. Like an octopus has 8 legs, an octave has 8 steps. So there's G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 8. Octave. Isn't that cool? Alright, so now that you know what an octave means, we're going to work on doing some other songs. So now we have Rockin' Robin. This is number 21 on page 12. Alright, so this one goes F, E, D, E, F, E, D, F, E, D, B, A, G, G. Good. And the next line is almost the exact same thing up until the very last measure. There's one little change. So here we go again. F, E, D, E, E, F, E, D, F, E, D, B, A, G, G, B. So we don't hold that G, we play B. And moving on to the third line, we have A, G, G, G to G, B, A, G, 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 G. Good. All right. And a beloved favorite, Yankee Doodle. You know this song? I'm sure you do. Yankee Doodle went to town. Da, 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 da. Yeah, so we're going to play that one next. Alright, so it goes like this. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, C, C, D, E, C, B, C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, G, A, B, C, C. And if you need to take any of these a little slower, just hit pause, work on the song a little bit more, like at your own speed. You have the CD, which has a slow version and a fast version. Make sure you're using your CD a little bit. And when you feel comfortable, we're going to move on, okay? So now we have Surf Rock. All right, so this one starts off with D, D, sorry, let's start that over. 1, 2, here we go. D, 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 C, A, C, D, 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 C, A, D, F. So that's going to be kind of tricky. You have A, D, F. It's kind of like zigzagging. A, D, D. So be sure you practice that a little bit. Let's start again, or start the next line. So G, 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 F, D, 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 F, G, 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 F, D, A. So it's D, A, C. So that one's tricky. So you have D, A, C. Practice doing that a few times. D, A, C. So you're here, these two fingers, and then this is A. So D, A, C. D, A, C. Just practice that a few times, but I'm going to move on. Let's do the next line. So we have D, 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 C, A, C, D, 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 F, D. It gets tricky right there at the end. D, 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 F, D. Alright, well, I think I gave you enough work for the week. Keep working on that Ode to Joy. I want to hear that. Hey, perfecto. Muy perfecto. Alright, so when you get back, I want to hear Ode to Joy especially, and then the song that comes after that, Blues, and I want you to be able to tell me where G and A are, and hopefully be able to do Rockin' Robin, Yankee Doodle, and Surf Rock. Alright, Ben, we will see you next time. Bye!